In old dump, off on my little bike ride now. Glorious day, going off to meet Skunk for the first time. So I'll try and video this and see what happens. Right then, let's see if we can find the Skunk, our first date. Gloves on, eh? Oops. What a lovely afternoon. And he lives just up the road up here from me. Can you believe it? Never seen him in my life. Saw him on video. Hey, nearly hit a car. Right, number 9. 105 there. Glorious afternoon. $41. Oh, blimey. Hot weather brings them out. $17. Oh, motorbike in full view. How you doing, Skunk? All right to you? Very pleased to meet you. It's a nice day for it, isn't it?
That is gorgeous. It's horrible yesterday.
Yeah. Where do you fancy going then?
I'm easy. If we're going far, I'm going to get some fuel. I've only got like, just under half a tank. It's enough. It's about 100 miles. But...
Oh, I don't think we'll go that far. Where do you fancy then?
Well, you've got that road down the mountain, that way of the mountain. It's quite nice.
Yeah, I'll follow you then.
You've got Thornton Road. You ever been there?
Not for a long time. I'll try that if you want.
Once in the coach.
Yeah, try it.
Whatever. I mean.
Yeah, let's have a go at that then. Oh, here we are then, the two of us, me and Stinky, or Skunk, or Fred. Here he is, look. So I've had a nice ride out, tried to find a reservoir, that didn't work.
We found it, we just couldn't get to it.
Oh well. But we've had a nice ride out, and it's bloody red hot, it's really nice. So, had some nice windy roads, a bit of bloody tar on there, weren't there?
Yeah, there was. I think they could go tarmac in the roads.
Yeah, so here we are then. We're just about to go and have a mosey and see what happens, and then we'll do a vlog. You done one?
I was doing one, but you
Right.
and I turned around and said, well look, if it's 15 or 20 minutes wasted of your time.
Here we are then, Bagworth Heath Wood. Here he is. Right, onward and upward, as they say. Hey, it's alright here, isn't it? Hey, this is good. Oh, we found something, a bit of wet, haven't we?
Cool,
It's got to be, this has got to be a coal mine, isn't it?
Yeah.
Open cast. Yeah, a bit of history for you. Fishing down there, look. Oops.
Drowning worms.
Yeah. Hey, it's really nice. A lovely day. There's a bit of history for you, folks. The sights and sounds around you today. Alright, used to be a coal mine. I thought it was. There it is, look. Open cast by the looks of it.
Like Colville.
Yeah. Hey, what about that then? It's a nice view. I'm going in front on the way back, so you'll see some fine riding by the old fart. And there's a gentleman who's filming it. It's a Steven Spielberg there. Onward and upward. Well, that was very nice. So have a mosey back now. I don't know how this mic's going to react. So I'm being followed now. Any road up tomorrow, I am going to Skegness with my bruv. So that should be a laugh, and it should be another hot day. I have to go stand up. Okay, we're off then. It's following me. Yeah, so that should be a fun-packed day tomorrow with my little bruv, who's infinitely younger than me apparently. He keeps saying so. So here we go then, a bit of vlogging. Is he coming? He's a bit slow. Can't keep up with his old uns, that's the trouble. Right, I ain't got a bloody clue where I'm going. Where shall I go? That way? Hey? Okay, we'll do it right. Right, here we go then. That was really nice afternoon. I must stop shouting. That was a real nice afternoon. I've enjoyed it with the skunk. Very good, and he didn't smell. I think he got some of that aftershave on with the boats. You know the one I mean? Yeah. I prefer a bit of brut. Dab on a bit of brut. That's my favourite. If a boxer can use it, then anybody can use it. Right, he's following me now, so shall more than likely get told off for my skills as a motorcyclist. It's been a lovely afternoon though, really nice. And we're coming to Bagworth. This is an old mining town from many years ago. Obviously closed down during the 80s. Devastated a lot of lives when they closed all the pits down. But this is one area where they were very big on mining. Ellistown and of course Colville. Says it all, doesn't it? Colville. Yeah. These are all mining communities. Nice and steady through the town. No need to go fast. Yeah, it's been a nice day. Nice to have met a new vlogger. Very nice man. Let's see what the difference is. This is a gypsy site. And that house there was the gypsy boss. He ain't sure to a bobby too, that's for certain sure. On the left, the same again. This is a gypsy site. We've got some money. I am on rest days. Normally I have 4 rest days, but this week I've got 6 rest days because on Saturday I'm going to the wedding of my best friend's daughter about 1 o'clock, and then in the evening a fancy dress do for my best friend's 60th birthday, which I'm really looking forward to. I think I mentioned it, probably didn't hear it, but I'm going as a pirate. Not Jack, whatever his name is, Spratt is it? Jack Spratt? Something like that. Anyway, I'm not going as him, I'm just going as a common pirate. Not a pilot, as I want to do. I don't know, I mentioned that the other day, I'll bore you with things that I've already said. So that'll be nice. And I've also, this is quite exciting, I'm also going to be driving, look at the bloody shit on here, also going to be driving or riding, well driving actually, a Triumph Stag with the bride in it, and it's years old, this stag, forget what year, early 70s and he rode up. Automatic, immaculate condition, that's my mates, so that'll be fun, so I'm looking forward to that. And then Sunday I've got the day off because I'll be convalescing, as you do after a piss up the night before. And as you know, I don't drink very often, to be fair. Every other night perhaps. Might sneak the odd one in between, but so I'm not too bad. Keep the units down to about 150, 200 a week, which I think is reasonable. And as I say, every time on these vlogs, I bet the bloody thing ain't working, but we'll see. Now this is Stinky's, one of Stinky's favourite roads according to one of his vlogs. Yeah, it says he effing well loves it down here or something like that. Second brook, you've heard this, go back a few vlogs, I'll tell you about me stickleback hunting. Now this bit at the bottom I do like, because you open it up a bit, so if you slide it down a couple of cogs here, quite like this bit. I won't go down so I'll just keep it at one. And then we go. Here we go. I do like that one. That's my favourite one. I love that little bit of road up there. Let that shook him. Oh, that was a lovely day out with the skunk. I'll have to wish him goodbye here now because I've got to go home now. So I shall pull down here and say our fond farewells. Been a good run.
You don't want to go for a ride out?
Hey?
You don't want to go for a ride out?
Yeah, I'll give you...
You know I am.
Yeah, be nice that will. Okay, it's been great.
Alright buddy, I'll see you online.
You will that. See you then. Yes, very nice indeed. Nice chap. Very nice chap indeed. Right. Get Henry away. If this is still running, it'll be a miracle. Anyway, bye.